This is my favorite time of the year.
Do you mean because spring is just around the corner and the plants and the trees and the flowers are blooming?
No, Joe. ¿Qué sonso? It's because it's Truck Month at Bravo Chevrolet in Las Cruces.
Right now during Truck Month, get 0% APR for 72 months, plus $500 allowance with GM financing, plus no extra window sticker with frivolous items.
Chevy makes the cars.
But Bravo makes the difference.